Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video we'll see how you can design your dashboard in a more interactive way. So let me log in first with the admin credential. Then under site administration, I will go here and open this additional HTML options. So whatever I will have to write in context of styling like CSS and JS code, I will have to add here within head. Okay, so now coming back to the dashboard. So this section you can see I have added the new one, and let me tell you how you can add this. Enable the edit mode, and this one I have added a block, HTML block. Okay, so you can add a block here. You can go for this text block. You can put a title here like this, and here you can design your complete HTML and you can paste here like I have designed this one, and I can paste. So currently I have Moodle 4.3 version, so you'll have to go under tools to you'll have to go under tools to see the source code. So if I click on this, I can paste here my source code, click on save, and this time it is appearing like this. And since you'll have the 4.3 or later version, you'll have option to make it full screen. So I just made it a full screen option. Yes, you can switch back to normal screen using this. Okay, so now coming to question how you will come to this. In case you want to update this image, you can simply click on that and you can update either a size. You can update, let me make it 356. Okay, or 356. Go back, save. Yes, it will be added on the bottom, and then I will have to drag on top. Okay, so I just added this one. Welcome to my site. You can see this one. Now again edit this one. Suppose you have to change this image, so you can also change that. Okay, you can simply delete from here and you can import a new image. Got it. Custom size 500, no, 400. This test. Okay, so this way you can add, but please be remember of that. In case you are using the this size of image, you can either drag and drop like this, because this will take the proportional way. Height and width will be taken automatically. If you want to make it large, you'll have to change all the image so that it looks interesting. Okay, so like I have here. Got it. Now let me go back and I just need to cancel this one. Okay, so how you will get this one? So with the help of ChatGPT, let me tell you how you can do that. Create a row, responsive row with 3 div inside with equal width that contains some content and images. Okay, so if you type this one, you'll have some code and you can try that code. Now press enter. Yes, it is giving me the things like this. Not CSS. I want bootstrap. Okay. Yes. So now this is giving me the exact code I was looking for. Okay. So from here, container to this I can paste. Okay. So let me try using this in place of all I already have. Okay. So again make it larger. Go back to tools and the source code. Yes. And just save this one. Yes, I can see here the three boxes. The content is like this. Now go back and save and refresh the page. Yes, you can see something like this. You have welcome, then you have content, and you have images. Okay. Now again edit this one. Go back to the full mode and download some images. Okay, so you can get the free images from the pixels. Here free stock photo, my profile. Okay. So this you'll have the images like this. Suppose I want to use this image. Okay, so I have to use this one and I will download from here. So smallest I will be preparing here. Okay, so download this one. Okay, so image is downloaded now. So from here I can and here I can insert image, upload, downloaded, browse the downloaded one, custom size, let it be. I have to add here the 600. Let's make it 400 and put some demo content here. Okay, so now you have this URL. If you go back, you can use like this. So if you go back to the tools mode and this in the source code, you can see here this is an image. So you can simply cut this image URL from here and you can paste here. Got it? Now you can remove this image part. Okay, so I don't need this one, so I will have to remove that. Click on save and go back to the normal mode and click on the save changes. Yes, you can see this image is coming like we have above. Now I have given the content part here. In case you have to add some content, you can use like this. Got it? Same way I will have to update this. Okay, so now I have added the one image. Let me try copying the same image throughout all the this image 2 and image 3. This, paste this one and save image. Yes, I have all the images and content now. Okay, so in case you have to update the epics too, you can just update that. So now it is more easy to update because you have the original images now. So if I click on this and go back here, I can simply delete, but please make sure if you delete, everything will be deleted. Okay, so again you will have to import an image here. Okay, so like we did for this context one, I can simply browse another image. Okay, for that I will have to download another image from this site. Let's suppose this one is my second image. So download. Yes, now it is downloaded and I can upload here. Yes, so size I have given for that particular image was 500. Yes, now go back to the code, source code, and I can paste this image from here to here. Okay, so now I can delete this image and save. Go back to the normal screen from full screen and now click on the save changes. Yes, you can see here this part is coming now. Okay, so in case you want to make it on top, you can make it on top like this by dragging and drop. Okay, so now there is one more thing. I don't want this dashboard here on this page. So how I can do that? I can do that by going here on the title. Okay, so I have this unique page ID, this, then I have to hide this title, that is header. Yes, and display none. Okay, so here I will have to paste under additional HTML, and you know the step how you can under appearances will have to, you will see then option of additional HTML, and after clicking on that you will be here. Okay, so I just added the code. Let me see whether it works or not. Yes, you can see that dashboard is gone now. So this is how you can create now. So the moment you add anything here, it will be only applicable to your dashboard. Now I will simply take this code from here, the source code, and I will take a backup of it. First I will have the backup, so that in case in future I lost this content from this blog, I will have to uh, take the code from the backup. Now coming to how you can set the same thing for all the users, for all user dashboard. For that there is a dashboard, default dashboard. You can search here. Sorry, come here on the default dashboard page, and currently you see this one is a default dashboard page. And if you go into the edit mode, same thing, you will have the option. Okay, so you can see here on my dashboard it is appearing well, but here on default dashboard it is not appearing. So default dashboard is still appearing like this. So again you will have to come here, same steps, you have code now. Okay, so you have code now, you can simply add this text, this one, and you can add. Let me try that same thing. Yes, the text, welcome, the message you want to convey, and the tools, source code, I will paste, save. Yes, and again it will go on the bottommost when you add this one. In case you want to arrange it on the top, you can do that. Got it? So now you have created your content part. So you are not done with that. So once you are done with all, everything is working here fine, you'll have to click on this reset dashboard for all users. So once you click on this link, it will be reset to every user. Okay, so on every user dashboard, this block will be appearing, not this block, the second, in a second row this one, third row this one, then this, then this. Whatever is coming here on this dashboard, it will appear for all the learners or admins, all the users, you can say. So that's it from this video. Hope you will have learned something and you will be applying it for your LMS. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.